Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a wild topic, literally. We're talking about the booming wild boar populations in Italy, Canada, and the United States. These critters are causing quite a stir, and we've got the lowdown on the challenges and strategies involved in managing these wild hogs. First, let's break down the numbers. In Italy, the wild boar population has skyrocketed from 500,000 in 2010 to a whopping 1 million in 2022. Over in Canada, they've gone from 100,000 in 2000 to more than 1 million by 2010. And in the United States, the wild boar count has exploded from 10 million in 2000 to over 25 million in 2022. These numbers are wild, pun intended. So, what's behind this population boom, especially in Italy? Well, it turns out that abandoned agricultural land has become prime real estate for wild boars. With more food and shelter available, these boars are living their best lives. But as we know, with great boar populations come great responsibilities and problems. Italy is feeling the heat from this surge in wild boars. These animals are a menace to animal agriculture and transport. They love to munch on crops, causing massive destruction to grass seeds and other valuable plants. In Italy, hunting is essential for controlling wild boar populations and is regulated by the government. Seasonal hunting occurs from September to December, targeting boars when they are most active. Government planned hunts focus on areas with significant damage. Farmers also use preventive measures like planting unattractive crops and building sturdy fences, though these often aren't enough. Collaboration between farmers and hunters, including using traps and night hunting, helps reduce boar numbers effectively. Despite various strategies, managing wild boar populations remains a challenging but necessary effort to protect agriculture in urban areas. Success in managing wild boars requires teamwork between farmers and hunters. Trapping and fumigation are commonly used methods, and night hunting has proven to be effective. However, managing boar populations isn't just a rural issue. It's also a problem in urban areas. Despite the challenges, trapping remains a crucial method. It usually happens during the day when boars are less active, but it's not foolproof. Sometimes traps catch other animals like wolves and rodents. That's why technical collaboration and safety compliance are essential. Now let's hop over to the United States, where hunting competitions are a big deal. One standout event is the Shut Down All 2023 competition in Texas. This contest has 3 categories: individual, team, and the biggest wild boar. The prizes are pretty sweet. $110,000 for the individual winner, $20,000 for the top team, and $50,000 for the heaviest boar. Over 100 teams participated, bagging more than 800 wild boars. But not everyone is thrilled about these contests. Some folks argue they're cruel and unnecessary, while supporters say they're an effective way to control boar populations and provide entertainment for hunting enthusiasts. Safety and regulation compliance are crucial, with each team required to have at least 2 members with valid hunting licenses. In Oklahoma, the Godzilla Jungle Monkey Hunting Contest follows similar rules. These competitions not only help control boar populations but also bring communities together for some good old-fashioned fun. Farmers aren't just relying on hunting to deal with wild boars. They're also building fences around farms and residential areas to keep these pests out. Traditional but effective method involves using hunting dogs. Trained dog breeds can track and chase wild boars, creating pressure and spreading panic among the boar population. However, managing hunting dogs requires careful oversight to ensure they don't pose a threat to humans or pets. Did you know that wild boars have an extraordinary sense of smell? They can detect scents from up to 5 miles away, making them excellent foragers. This keen sense of smell helps them locate food buried underground, like truffles, which are a delicacy in many cuisines. Wild boars are also incredibly fast runners, capable of reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour. This speed, combined with their agility, makes them formidable opponents for hunters and predators alike. Wild boars are very social animals. They live in groups known as sounders, which are usually led by females. These groups typically consist of females and their offspring, while adult males tend to be more solitary, joining the groups only during the mating season. Wild boars are also quite intelligent and adaptable. They have been known to figure out how to open gates and even navigate through urban environments in search of food. Additionally, wild boars play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By rooting in the soil, they help aerate it, promoting plant growth and aiding in seed dispersion. Despite the problems they cause for farmers, wild boars are an integral part of the natural world, showcasing both the beauty and complexity of wildlife. So, while they may be a nuisance, there's no denying that wild boars are fascinating creatures with unique traits and behaviors. Dealing with wild boar populations is no walk in the park. It requires a mix of creative and diverse strategies and a whole lot of teamwork. From hunting and trapping to building fences and using hunting dogs, farmers and hunters are doing everything they can to protect their land and communities. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on managing wild boar populations? Have you heard of any other effective methods? Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and information on how we can tackle the wild boar problem together. So, do you have any thoughts on dealing with invasive species like wild boars? Let us know in the comments.